Hey guys, what is going on? It's John96 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to mod Grand Theft Auto 5 single player characters. And basically, the way this mod works is it will make you're gonna be able to change your character's model. So basically, you could be Shop, you could be Michael. I mean, you don't need to be Michael. You could be like rare characters like Brad or Martin, or like you could be any animals you want. You could be a chicken, a monkey, a cow. It's pretty cool. I uploaded a video earlier showing you like with Shop how it is, and it's basically pretty funny. I was laughing my ass off while playing it. So yeah. So to get started, you want to start the game, and you want to head over to quick save with whatever character you want to use. So in this case, I'm using Franklin. So I head over to quick save, and basically you want to create a new one. So create a new save and click yes, and now you wait for the little circle at the bottom of the screen to finish. So right there it's done, and now you want to Alright, so once you quit the game, you're gonna head over to save data utility, and you're gonna head over to the quick save that you just did. So it's probably gonna be the last one because it's the last thing that you made. You're gonna copy it and copy it to your USB data. Alright, so now that it's on your USB, let me just delete one of these because it gets kind of confusing, and also delete if you want it not to get too confusing, you could also delete if you have like another quick save on the file. So I did, and I don't want it to get too confusing, so I deleted it. So once that's done, we're gonna head over to the PC, and I'm gonna show you what you do. So I'll see you over at the. Alright guys, so now that we're here in the PC side, what you want to do is open this program that I'm gonna post a link in the description. It's called Hazard's Grand Theft Auto 5 Save Editor. What you want to do, so click on Open File, head over to your computer, and click on your USB drive. So here you're gonna look for the PS3 folder, save data, the Bluz if you're in the US, and I think it's Bleez if you're in Europe or the UK. So you click that, and you click on rage.sav or SAV. Alright, so if you want to make a backup, you can, but me, I know what to do, so I'm not gonna make a backup. It is always recommended that you make a backup in case you messed something up. Alright, so once that we're here, you're gonna head over to block, and right here, the PSIN, you're gonna click extract. For better use, I extracted to the desktop, so it'll be easier to get, and I'm just gonna replace it with that one, and it was extracted. So now I'll head over this. Alright, so now we have it right here. You want to have downloaded HXD or any other hex editor that you could edit hex files. For this one I'm using HXD because it's the one I know how to use. So you want to open it. If you cannot open it like that, all you want to do is open the program, click open file, and just select the PSIN. Alright, so here you're gonna look, I'm also gonna post this on the description. This is basically the hex values for every character on the game, and every model that is on the game that is like an animal character, or I think even, yeah, only animals and characters, you are gonna be able to transform into them. So in my save game I was using Franklin, so the first thing you want to find is player, and it will be player underscore, sorry about that, player underscore 1. If you're using Trevor, it will be player underscore 2, and if you're using Michael, I think it's player underscore 0. So with Franklin, I'm using player underscore 1. Right here, you see the numbers after the 0x. You want to copy those numbers after the 0x. You copy them, and now in the HX editor, you go to search and replace, or you could do Control R. You search for, you're gonna put the number that I just gave you. If you're using Franklin, it's gonna be that one. If you're using Michael, it's gonna be a different one, and if you're using Trevor, it's gonna be a different one. So now, after you put that one there, you want to look for what character you want to be. So let's say I want to be, I don't know, let's go for a character that you barely see on the game. Let's go for Brad. That is from the first mission. So right here we got Brad right here, and you copy again the numbers after the X. So you copy that, and now you paste it over in HXD, and that name gets me confused a little bit. Okay, so you put it in the replace with, and you put that number, and you're gonna click on all. You're gonna click on hex values. Okay, so for data type, hex values, and then search selection, make sure you click all, and now you want to replace all. It's gonna say replace 3 occurrences with this hex value now, and you're gonna click file, save, and now you want to get the save editor again, and you're gonna click replace and replace it from the one from the desktop. Okay, it says the block was replaced. Now you're gonna click here, you're gonna go to characters, and you're gonna click Franklin if you want the character to be Franklin, if the character that you replaced was Franklin. If you replace it with Trevor, you're gonna click Trevor, and if you replace it with Michael, you're gonna click Michael. And now you just click save file, and that's pretty much it over in the computer side. So as you can see, very simple to do, and it's basically really easy. Now we're gonna head over to the PlayStation and show you what to do. So I'll see you there. Alright guys, so now that we're here on the PSV, you want to open the save data utility, open your flash drive, and then copy the save that you just modded into the PS3. Now at this point you could load up the game, but if you notice that it never loads, make sure you copy your autosave to your USB just to have it as a backup, and you delete it from your PS3. I noticed that lets me load the game without any problem, but when I have the autosave on, it like freezes the game. Like it just stays loading forever, it never loads. Alright, so now I'm gonna speed up the process of booting up, so then I could show you what you have to do next. So I'll see you over when I'll see you when the game is done loading. Alright guys, so now that the game has loaded, you're gonna notice that the game is frozen. You won't be able to move or anything. What you have to do to fix this, you want to press the pause menu, head over to online, click play online. You could go in an invite only, you could press in any lobby you want, and all you have to do is just go onto an online lobby. So I pick private only because it's faster to load than joining any random lobby. So once this loads, all you have to do is back out again, but the way you back out is with the weapon wheel, no, with the character wheel, and you're gonna select the character that you modded. So I modded Franklin, so I'm gonna select Franklin to switch to. So I hold down and I go over to Franklin. Alright, so now that we're here, we're Franklin, waiting for it to load. You should be a different character. So I picked Brad from modding the game, and now I'm Brad. As you can see, you will be the character that you pick, of course. So yeah, you could be basically any character that is on the game. So you could even be like the aliens from the Hollywood studios. You could be one of them. You could be a cow, a chicken, a deer. You could be shop. You could be any random dog. You could be basically there's many options to have. As you can see, I will upload the file. It's a pretty big file. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, please give it a like, as it helps me a lot. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.